The Micro Weather Station combines over 20 weather parameters, data processing, and a solar power system into a single wireless unit that weighs approximately 4 pounds. This video details the installation process for the MWS, as well as site selection guidelines and how to power on the unit. Before installing your MWS, first determine the ideal location for your weather station. Do not install the MWS within 30 feet of any trees or buildings, as they could affect the wind, temperature, and cloud height readings. Instead, mount the MWS in a large open area at least 30 feet away from trees and structures. It's also a good idea to check the cellular or Iridium satellite signal strength in the area before installing your MWS. Do not use a mounting solution that is less than 6 feet tall or causes the unit to tilt more than 10 degrees off center. These could negatively affect the wind speed and direction readings, as well as the unit's communications. You should use a strongly anchored mounting point, like a tripod that is properly weighed down to the ground with an anchor. Now we will begin the installation process. Start by unpacking the MWS tripod kit, which includes a tripod, weight bag, 2 carabiners, and 2 rubber straps. Extend the tripod to its full height by unscrewing the locks on each leg. There is a label indicating how to lock and unlock each leg. With each leg extended, place the tripod on level ground. Install the MWS on the tripod by removing the rubber cap and screwing the unit onto the 1/4-inch 20-threaded mount. Now raise the center mount to its full height. Now we will secure the tripod to the ground with an anchor. Begin by finding the hook underneath the center mount. Connect one end of a rubber strap to the hook and thread the carabiner through the hole at the other end of the strap. Now retrieve the weight bag and fill it with either sand or rocks. It should weigh between 25 and 50 pounds. Take the carabiner attached to the weight bag and secure to the tripod with the carabiner on the rubber strap. Redistribute or add more weight to the bag until it is firmly planted on the ground. It is now time to power on the MWS. Flip the power switch into the on position and check the indicator lights underneath the cap. You may need to shield the lights with your hand to get a clear view of the indicators in sunlight. 3 lights mean the MWS is fully charged and will begin reporting automatically. 2 lights indicate that MWS is not fully charged, but it will still begin reporting automatically. 0 or 1 light means that the power is too low, and the unit requires solar or cabled charging. To charge the MWS, simply place the MWS in sunlight or connect it to a power source with the MWS data and power cable. Flashing lights indicate a potential self-check failure. Contact IntelliSense Systems for additional information. To learn more about the MWS and its operation, visit www.intellisense-inc.com.